So I'm going to try and do a sneezing session. So I've got the remainder of some black pepper at the bottom here. So I'm going to see if this will make me sneeze. It usually does. Have a large sneeze. I'm making my eyes water. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time. Got bits of tissue everywhere. I don't even need to sniff it and I still feel like I'm going to sneeze. Just tickling my nose makes me want to sneeze. Let's do this again. Just have to clear my nose out nicely first. Gonna give it a good honk. And we'll do another sneezing session. Okay, look at the bits of tissue. Let's get ready. This is scaring me a little bit, but it feels so good to sneeze. Such a release. Okay. I actually love the smell of pepper. Come on, nose. Look how red my face is going from all the sneezing. Make your eyes water. I feel like I've got one more. I've got to get one more out. Oh, it's gonna be a big one. I hope you enjoyed my sneezes. I really enjoyed them. I love the feeling. And now my nose feels all clear. And one more blow. And then I should be good. Hope you enjoyed my sneezing video. Let me know if you'd like to see more, because this is my first one. And give me feedback as well if you'd like. You're welcome to message me. I love to chat to people who watch my videos. And if you've got any suggestions for more sneezing, snotty, tissues, honking videos, just let me know.